To get out. I'll call the police now.
Look, this is my local pub. You come to my country and you fucking knock my pub down.
What's wrong with you, mate?
You're laughing, aren't you?
Very sorry.
So what's the roof going to be like afterwards? Is it going to be straight or wonky like it was before? And take that smirk off your fucking face.
You just touch me. You watch what's going to happen. Just touch me. Touch me.
Get the fuck back to your own country. Fuck off out of mine.
Down.
Brexit all the way. Knocking my pub down. Scum, get back to your own countries. You're earning money, ain't ya? I'll tell you how many fucking years I spent in that pub. More than you know.
I'm making you one. I'm making a new one.
Yeah, no, it's going to be a fucking nursery. And there's going to be flats. You don't give a shit. I don't give a shit about your country. Go the fuck back to your country.